the Congo Basin Rainforest, the heart of Africa, home to an incredible array of plants and animals.
The Congo Basin Rainforest is a haven for unique species. From gorilla families to elusive okapis, it's a treasure trove.
This paradise is under threat. Deforestation clears the way for agriculture, logging, and mining. Climate change adds pressure with rising temperatures. The rainforest loses resilience.
Inspiring efforts protect the Congo Basin. Communities embrace sustainable livelihoods.
The Congo Basin is vital to our planet's health. Let's protect it for future generations.